Are you being a bat? You sound more like a dog. Austin, what are we drawing today?
A bat.
A bat? What kind of a bat?
Zubat.
A Zubat. A Pokemon Zubat.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
You love Pokemon, don't you? Mm-hmm. Yeah, we hope you guys are excited and you're going to follow along with us. You need a marker. You got yours?
Yeah.
And some paper. And something to
Color with
at the very end. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Beat ya. First step we're going to do is draw our Zubat's mouth right in the middle of our paper. And we kind of want to draw it small. Not too small though, so that we have room for his teeth, but we also want room for his wings. So we're going to draw an upside down U right here in the middle of our paper. Yeah, that's a good spot. Yeah. Now at the bottom we're going to connect with a frowny line. Then we're going to draw his teeth. We're going to draw two V shapes up at the top. And we're going to draw two upside down V shapes down at the bottom. Yeah. Then let's color in his mouth but leave the teeth white. Now we're going to draw the top of his head. We're going to draw another upside down U that follows his mouth. Like this. Yeah, now we're going to draw his belly, or his body. We're going to draw a U shape that comes down, around, and back up. It makes him look like a peanut.
Yeah, a peanut.
A peanut.
Peanut. It's a peanut.
Now we're going to draw his ears. We're going to draw, they look like leaf shapes. We're going to draw a line that comes up like this, and then curves back in. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Out. Back in. Yes, that's a good spot to start right there. Come out and then back in. Good. And then one on the other side that looks just like it. All by yourself. Good job. Now we're going to repeat that same shape and we're going to go right next to the first shape that we drew. Look at that. This is the outside of his ears. Do it on both sides. Yeah, you're doing great. And then inside of his ears, we're going to draw a curved line. That looks like an upside down U on both sides. All right, we did it. Now what should we draw?
His wings.
His wings? All right, sounds good. We're going to start right here, right below his mouth, and we're going to draw a curve that goes right next to his ear and comes up. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Up on both sides. That's the first part of his wing.
His hands.
Yep. Yeah, his arms or wings. Next, let's draw the second part of his wing. It's coming down and curves down on each side. And we don't want to go past his body. So we're going to stop right about there. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Yep. Curve down. Yeah, that wing's a little smaller, and that's okay, right?
Yeah.
We're practicing. Next, we're going to draw the inside of his wing. We're going to draw a curve that comes back up. Watch, right here at the end, we're not going to connect it. We're going to leave a little gap, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I like repeating the same steps on each side so that we can practice. Mm-hmm. Good job. And then one on the other side. Stay right next to the first line. There you go, and leave a little gap at the top. Perfect. Then right here, we're going to draw a line that comes down and follows the outside, and we're only going to go halfway. So we're going to stop. Yep, you could go a little further, maybe right to there. Then we're going to draw another line that comes down, and we're going to come down to the same length. So we're going to come down to about there. Then we're going to come back up, and then we're going to connect into the body. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Up. Yeah. Now let's repeat that same step on the other side. So we're going to draw halfway down. So we'll draw it about to there. You could be super proud of your drawing. How old are you?
7.
7. Yeah, you're doing a great job, Austin. Now we're going to draw the part that comes down just like we did over here. It's the middle part of his wing. So we'll start there, come down. Then we're gonna come back up right next to it. So come back up to there. And then connect it into his body. Cool, now we can draw the webbing in between each of these little lines. We're gonna draw an upside down U or a rainbow line, and then we're gonna draw another one that connects over to his body. Draw one that comes over here. Yeah, and then do the same thing on this side. Rainbow line, and then another rainbow line that connects into his body. Okay, awesome. What is our Zubat missing?
His leg.
Yeah, his super long legs. He could be an NBA basketball player. His legs are so long. We're going to draw a line that comes down like this. And we can do the same thing over here. That's long. Yeah. And then one long on the other side. And then watch this. It's almost like we're doing the same thing we did on his wings. We're going to curve around like this. Come back up. Watch this. I'm going to go really close. And then right at the end, I'm going to curve out. Curve into his body. So stay really close so his legs are skinny. And then right at the end, curve into his body. And we'll do the same thing over here on this side. Oh, you did it. You are such a good artist, man. I love your drawing. Now we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color our Zubats. We're gonna fast forward this part, but at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Awesome, great job on coloring your Zubat. He looks so much better colored in. I hope our art friends are gonna do the same thing and color their drawings. What could our art friends draw in the background?
A cave.
A cave and more Zubats, right?
Yeah.
That would be awesome. That would be way cool.
We hope you all have enjoyed your Zubat.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your Zubats. We should draw Golbat next.
Yeah.
We'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.